today.
Good morning. It's about 9:45 and we're out here on this beautiful sea day and we're getting ready to go to the captain's meet and greet. We're going to take our friends Chris, T, and Kevin with us and hopefully they get to meet all the great crew on this ship. Are you looking forward to it?
I am.
Yeah, but we're going to miss somebody very, very much.
Amal.
Amal, we miss you.
Amal's gone.
But hopefully Lucky
To the
will be there.
sunshine.
Hopefully we'll meet Lucky and we'll have a good time. So
Alrighty.
here we go.
All right. See you there. Ever seen this many diamond people on the Paradise, ever. I guess because of the itinerary.
What about what?
Aunties and uncles over here. Our amazing Paradise team. So starting all the way from the left, keeping you hydrated. Make sure you have that nice sippy right now. There's nice cocktails. We have your beverage operation manager, Lucky.
So we just left the diamond party.
Yes, we did.
And we met Amal's replacement, Lucky. And
Oh, Lucky was nice. He's very lucky.
he's very, so he is, but he won't
But
go
we
to the,
miss you too.
He won't go to the casino. We met Anna. She's very, very nice.
Yes, she
And then
helped.
Tiana again. We saw her. So it was pretty good. I didn't
Yeah.
even, all I got was a glass of orange juice.
But Anna, she explained to us why deparcation in Key West was so hard yesterday. It
okay.
was Key West rules, and they caught them off guard with all the rules and all that. But next time they said it'd be a lot smoother. But this captain's meet and greet had the most people I'd ever saw. The room was totally full. I'd say there was at least 100
You
people
saw
in
it.
there. A lot of people.
You'll see it in the video. It
Yeah.
was
It
well, you
was
already saw
very
it.
nice.
You're seeing this, you already saw that, but it was packed.
It was very nice.
But anyway, yeah, so Key West, you know, they think that's their paradise, and it's city council. They don't want tourists there at all, but
Yeah.
we'll get into that.
We're
in
gonna
another
go
video.
again.
Yeah, we're going to go just to make them mad.
No, I love Key West.
Alrighty.
All right, see ya.
They tried this yesterday and it started pouring, so the sales of the shirts are back. It's all the same shirts. It is so peaceful out here. Terry got the macaroni, got the pork, rice. I got the rice, potatoes, and somewhere there's some wings. I'm gonna top it off with a salad, homemade salad. All right, babe, where are we going? And don't say we're there.
No, well, we're sitting outside waiting for dinner on 409, and it's really nice on this cruise because a lot of people are really dressed up.
They are?
I mean, the ladies have on formal gowns, the guys, they're really dressed up. I've never seen around the Paradise this quite this dressed up, and I really like it.
We'll bring it to you. Kevin got the crab
like
cake.
around the
Kevin got the clam chowder soup. I got clam chowder soup.
I was going no,
And
they,
Terry
I
got
was
the
going one
fettuccine
way away
as
from
an
it, and they
appetizer.
were coming, and she had a box.
Second appetizer, a crab cake. Third appetizer,
That's
stuffed
hungry.
mushrooms. Terry's still eating her fettuccine.
Yeah.
Christine's sneaking in another crab cake, and Kevin got some stuffed mushrooms as well. Yummy, yummy. My
Thank you.
fifth appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Terry got the filet. Christine got the filet.
Diet Pepsi, are we good?
Yes.
Kevin got the
Kevin,
filet.
you want another Pepsi?
And
We
the
do.
shrimp for me. All right, Kevin got
Regular coffee?
the warm chocolate
Regular
milk
coffee.
cake,
Regular with
banana split,
Milk and sweet love.
key lime, and key lime. All right, where are we going?
Hi, we're not going. We're already here. We're in the.
Comedy
Oh,
Club.
I forgot where we were. We're in a comedy club. No, we're in a comedy club. We're going to see a comedian.
Nope. That's usually what you do at a comedy
Let's
club.
start over.
No, I like it. We're staying with it. We're not starting over. Bye-bye.
Ah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. How about you? Thank you.
We're in the cheap seats. Here we are at Epic Rock, but we don't know what all the stools are for. That's not how it usually starts. So, could be a little different.
When she gets is there a way that I have learned? Dear lady, can you know that you know somebody to love? Ooh, yeah. Each morning I get up, I gotta think. Can barely stand on my feet. There's something in the mirror. My bones at the end of the day goes home. All of my soul is I get down on my knees and ask Him to pray to the Lord. My tears will light up. Somebody. Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me.
Okay, so Epic Rock wasn't the normal show because they were having technical difficulties,
We were
but,
just singers,
but it
but
was
they were
still
good.
good as you saw. So,
They were good. Now we got to go get our chocolate
now we're going to get a
martini.
chocolate martini
Yes.
with, you know who, Deepak.
Deepak, let's go. Let's go.
All right. Here we go, Deepak.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Oh. It worked. Oh, Deepak, that is great.
Awesome, Deepak. All right, well, good evening. Day 3 in the books. We had a lazy day. We laid by the pool all day,
And I'm very exhausted.
as you saw.
Very exhausted. We had a great dinner. We had we went to a show. We went to a comedian, and we got to have a chocolate martini with Deepak. So now we're just sitting out here chilling together, and we're enjoying our
You know,
hot
chocolate.
Because hot chocolate is good.
It's good.
It's very good. And we're just talking and enjoying each other and talking about what a great day we had.
we did. Anyway, tomorrow's Jamaica. We're not sure.
Jamaica, baby.
We're not sure what we're gonna do. We couldn't really find anything we wanted to do.
I know one thing we're gonna do.
And everything was so expensive.
We're gonna have fun.
Oh, we're definitely gonna
Definitely
have
gonna
fun.
have fun. We're gonna be a Jamaica man.
Jamaica, man.
Jamaica man.
All right, but anyway, I want to talk about the ship a little bit.
For sure.
We watched Epic Rock, as you saw in the video.
Yep.
They couldn't do the actual show because
We don't know why.
something's broke.
We don't know.
The glass elevators, both of those are broke.
They were broke last time
Yeah,
we
we
were
were on here
here.
2 weeks ago. They were both broke. Nothing's fixed.
Yeah.
And now the doors that come into the buffet, they're broke. They're
They
stuck
were broke
open.
last time too.
So now all the heat is coming into the.
But I will say this. At least their bathrooms are working, where Royal Caribbean
They weren't
was
working.
not.
Well, it
Lot
was only
better.
for like a day.
No, it was 2 days in Royal Caribbean. The bathrooms did not
But only the
wash.
public bathrooms, not the cabins. They were all working good.
Carnival is better.
But anyway,
That's my opinion.
depends on who gives me free cruises.
It's my opinion.
All right, well, we're getting ready to go to
My
bed.
opinion counts.
We're gonna get up early, and we're gonna go Jamaica, man.
Jamaica man,
So-
and we'll be having fun, man.
So we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
I said good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
So there's the broken doors. They don't close.
And then you can go get the broken elevators.
Broken elevators, broken doors. Everything's broken. And I don't want to badmouth Carnival because we love Carnival, but this goes into dry dock in October, but they can't wait till October to fix a lot of this stuff.